guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be taking up a 7 days flat stomach challenge. Now this challenge has been introduced by Lily Sabri and I followed this entire routine for 7 days straight. Also, I did an intermittent fasting throughout this routine because I wanted to see some good results. I wanted to give my 100% to this routine. I'll insert a clip so that you'll get the parameters of my body before taking up this challenge. Also, I'll make sure to link the video in the description box below for you guys in case you guys want to take up this 7 days challenge. Now let's quickly jump right into the actual video. Alright, so day 1 is done and I could really feel that burning sensation near my stomach area, and I do personally believe I'm going to see some amount of changes within this 7 days workout challenge. Now I have promised myself to give my best to this challenge. That's why I thought of going ahead and doing intermittent fasting throughout the entire workout challenge. Now 2 of the exercises were pretty difficult. I failed miserably at it, although we are going to practice much more on that and we are going to be getting better day by day. So no worries for those who are going to work out after a really long time. This workout routine is going to be pretty difficult for you, and since I'm
working out after a really long time, it was pretty difficult for me as well.
Also, while doing the workout, I felt a lot of breathlessness within me, and that's going to take a toll on my head. Let's keep that aside and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 2 and my belly area is still aching like hell. I don't know how long will it take to cool down, but we are going to go through all of this. And specifically, I feel that intermittent fasting is very difficult to follow since I am following this 16:8 ratio where I'll be fasting for 16 hours straight and then the remaining 8 hours I would be taking food. I'm gonna give my best in this 7 days. When I posted about intermittent fasting on my Instagram stories, you guys were pretty concerned about me that I shouldn't do that. It has a lot of side effects and all of that. So I do understand all of your concerns, but let's just try it for 7 days and see if we could see some good results doing that or not. Now I personally feel all the exercises that has been mentioned in this routine are up to the mark. That would definitely makes me feel that burning sensation near my belly area, and I could feel it all through, and I have been screaming while doing all of the exercises. Although in this video you are not going to hear the actual clips, I'll definitely put some beautiful audio just to hide that. That is it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 3 and I felt I was a bit tired while doing all the routine by day 3 because intermittent fasting sucks. All my energy got boosted down. That's why I took a little bit of breaks while doing all the routine, and I believe the routine was not up to the mark. So that's that. I'll catch you guys in day 4. Alright, so day 4 done right. All of the exercises were bang on. I'm super proud about myself. I have given my 100% in this routine. This is what I could feel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in day 5. So day 5 is done and I'm all sweating, but the feeling is good because I've done everything perfectly without taking breaks. So I'm extremely proud about myself. Babu? So yeah, I'll catch you guys in day 6. Alright, so my final verdict is definitely I've lost a lot of inches right from my belly area. I was pretty shocked because I lost almost 3 inches. That's not an easy task, you guys. 7 days was pretty enough for my body to burn all those excess fats which I was gaining throughout this pandemic. So a big thumbs up from me to this workout routine because it works definitely if you follow a proper diet and if you follow this routine religiously, then definitely you are going to see results in 7 days. Now talking about whether I got abs or not, definitely nobody is going to get abs in a week time span, so that's a myth totally. But I felt good because I have lost a couple of inches right from my belly area and I'm really happy trying out this workout challenge. I'm also planning to do booty challenge, that's also by Lily Sabri. It's a 5 days booty challenge. So in case you guys want to take up this challenge along with me, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. My ID is Pooja_Bera. I usually post stories, and in case you guys want to join, you know what to do next. You guys could go ahead, DM me regarding this challenge. Let's get fitter together. Hope you guys love this entire transformation. Also, I wanted to see how my body reacts after I'm done with this challenge. So definitely after this workout routine got ended, I started eating up a lot of junk food, and of course the body started looting up again. So definitely, in case you guys want good results, you have to hook for straight long time. Also, I would suggest you guys, intermittent fasting was not a good idea. I followed 16:8 intermittent fasting ratio, where I fasted for 16 hours and 8 hours was the only eating period for me. It was pretty tough for me to do that, but anyways, 7 days was enough. I don't think so I'll be taking up this intermittent thing once again in my lifetime, because to be honest, it was very tough. Somehow I managed to complete it, and I'm extremely proud of me doing that. I hope you guys love this video. In case you loved it and would like to see more such fitness challenges on my channel, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Also press the little bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.